So I didn't know if some of you guys would find this interesting, but I just wanted to show you my setup so you could see what it looks like. I didn't clean it up or anything to make it look like it's better than it really is. This is how it looks like daily because I use it daily, so it's not perfect. It's a little bit messy. I do plan on moving though, so it will be cleaner. I plan on getting a new desk so I can actually fit most of my keyboards in there. I was looking at I think they're called the Alex filing cabinets from IKEA. I have a lot of drawers, and I was thinking I could probably fit like 2 or 3 keyboards per drawer. So I'm just going to show you what equipment I use, my computer, and then just kind of where I store my boards. So this is how my computer looks most of the time. I have my second monitor right here. Got my main monitor right here. It's a 34-inch ultra wide. So there's the computer. It's an i7 4790K with a Noctua NHD 15, a GTX 1070, 16 gigs of RAM. I think it's a 250 gig Samsung Evo SSD, and then I have 2 SanDisk SSDs in there, and then I have a 2 terabyte backup drive in there. So here is how I store all my keyboards, and it is not very pretty right now because I never thought I'd have this many. So I just have a bunch of boxes back there, bunch of keyboards, bunch of keyboard parts, and then I keep all of my other parts in here. And there are a lot of them, so I need to find a better solution for that. I also keep my Model M and my other vintage boards right there, and then my slide out keyboard spot. This is just where all my boards sit. So this is the equipment I use. This Hako soldering iron is awesome. I got it, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 months ago. Works great. The FR300 right here is a desoldering gun, and it is amazing. I got this very recently from my significant other for my birthday, and wow, this is a really, really nice gun. This made it so much easier to actually get the work done. It's taken me like 25-30 minutes to desolder an entire board while I'm still kind of dicking around. So it's awesome. And then I just have my 2 different solders right here. This top one, I don't even know. I ordered it from AliExpress just to see how good cheap solder is, and it's fine. The other one is just some Alpha Fe? Don't really know, but I ordered that from Amazon. So that's just where I keep kind of all my crap, and then I empty that maybe once a month. I just put it back in the closet and everything when I'm not using it. So that's about it. Just kind of wanted to show you guys what I do in here and how everything looks.